How to create this AI video with Hyy.ai. Go to Hyy.ai and click on Open App. Add an image. Crop the image as per your requirement. Adjust the video length. Set the video smoothness or FPS. Enter the first prompt or description. You can add multiple prompts to get amazing output. To get the best results, add detailed descriptions. Choose an animation or motion for the video. Select a style for the video. Once you are happy with all the settings, click on Create Video. Video creation may take a few minutes. You can come back at any time and find your videos under My Videos. Once your video is ready, you can download and share it. Make sure to use #Hyy.ai to be featured on our pages. Happy creating!